What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons to stop limit buys, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So basically guys, to explain it really quickly in case you don't know what a stop limit buy is, a stop limit buy will only be activated when the price that you enter is reached. It's not like a limit buy. It will only be entered in the exact price that you hit. For example, if you want to get in at the break of a stock that's $2.01, you would put your stop limit buy from $2.01 to possibly $2.04, so that way you have a potential gap that you can get filled anywhere in between 1 cent and 4 cents of the break, but you will not get filled if the stock does not reach that price. And then I'm going to cover the kind of pros and cons to it. One of the good pros to stop limit buys is if you are suffering from being trigger shy, this is a really good way to stop being trigger shy, because your order is automatically filled and you will get into the trade. It will build up your confidence slightly. So that helped me before when I go through patches of being trigger shy. So that will help you if you're going to kind of be trigger shy in that sense. It will build up your confidence. What's also cool about them as well, I use them a lot for breakouts. So I will set them for a pre-market breakout or a high a day breakout, whole and half dollar breakout. So that's where I really like them as well. If it doesn't and it fades off, well, so be it. The trade doesn't get filled. Now, what you have to be aware of in stop limit buys is you do not always get filled, and that is one of the cons about it. I've missed out on numerous opportunities, and anyone that's in any of the chat rooms I'm in, I do get quite frustrated at this when it happens. I'm quite vocal about it, so that's one of the cons about it. Let's say, for example, if you want a break of $2 and the stock will jump where your limit are between 1 and 5 cents, let's just say, and it jumps to 208, well, you're not going to get filled and the order skips. And this happens quite regularly. Now, what you can do to adjust that is if you don't get filled, you could jump in on a hotkey of a break when it's going through the tape of the 2, but I don't tend usually to do this because it comes down to multiple factors of volume and stuff, which we're not going to get into in this video. But that can be one of the serious issues when using stop limit buys. Like anything, there's pros and cons to it, but just be aware of when you're using them, that what can happen when using them. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you haven't already, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And to anyone that's a beginner or basic trader getting started in the stock market, I did prepare a full A to Z module on how to get started in the stock market. It is for beginners. It is absolutely free. It is in the description below, so go check it out, and God bless.